Long gone are the days when creating a short film or advertisement was a task of technical expertise and one that should be quite professional to deal with editing and related tasks. Now, however, after the dawn of all these revolutionary technologies and their day-to-day applications, video editing too has become an easy to accomplish task, if you know which video editors you should use. Then there are a huge number of video editing software available in the industry. So with that, I'm going to run you through the best video editing softwares you can use for each application, starting out with the best for smartphones, also known as Magisto. Editing a video on your smartphone is never going to be ideal, but applications such as Magisto make it a bit easier. Feature-packed, it includes options such as video stabilization, face recognition, video filters and transitions. Magisto's automatic video maker takes the editing right out of your hands and turns out all-star results that are ready for sharing across social networks. Magisto's business features add a small cost but allow for HD movies, commercially licensed music, plus the ability to add your own logo and captions. On to the next subject area, which is the best for, in my opinion, professionals, which is Adobe Premiere Pro, also known as the granddaddy of video editing. Adobe Premiere Pro is the cross-platform, uber-popular, timeline-based video editor that has long set the standard for video editing software. Capable of tackling nearly any type of video format, Adobe's software is ready to produce video for any type of professional production, including film, television and the web. Premiere Pro offers enough horsepower to handle 360-degree virtual reality video to 8K footage, all in native format. It can even import and export footage from competitive software such as Final Cut Pro. So check out the next video where I talk about what is the best for beginners, also known as Corel Studio, and the best for Macs, also known as Final Cut Pro.